Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove Google Photos from your Gmail account. So firstly go and open a Google Photos account, and right here you will see that I have some of my photos stored in Google Photos. And in case if I want to remove Google Photos from my Gmail account, let me tell you, there is no option available in Google itself from where you can remove Google Photos, because Google Photos is a tool offered by Google itself. But I have a trick for this problem. So for that, just click on your profile icon, and right here you will see the option for photo setting. Just open it and click on backup. Now here you need to make sure that this backup should be turned off in order to disconnect Google Photos from your Gmail account. So here you can see still there are photos stored in my account, and if you want to remove them as well, so for that, instead of opening Google Photos in your phone, we are going to access web version of Google Photos. So open a browser and type here Google Photos login, and then you will see first site. We need to click on first site, and just here you need to sign up with your account. I have already signed up with my account, so I don't have to sign up. But once you sign up with your account, we are just going to delete this photo. So for that, just click on these three little dots at top right hand corner, click on select photos and choose the photos which you want to delete. So here you can just select all of your photos, but you have to do that manually. So just for the tutorial, I'll just select all these 5 photos, and once you do that, just click on delete and click on move to bin. Now our photos are deleted, but they are still available in our recycle bin. If you want to delete them from there as well, in order to do that, just click on these 3 horizontal lines, and right here you will see the option bin. Open it, and here you will see all of the photos which you have deleted. So in order to delete them from recycle bin as well, we just need to click on this dustbin icon, and you will see that your photos are successfully deleted from recycle bin also. Now guys, if I go to my gallery and check if the photos are there or not, you will see the photos are still here. It means that we have deleted the photos from Google Photos but not from gallery, and we have successfully disconnected the Google Photos from the phone. So it means that the photos will not going to be stored in Google Photos, and also we have deleted all of the photos from Google Photos without deleting from the phone. And yeah, that's it. This is the solution for this problem. Now if you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe my YouTube channel? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.